Hello, welcome again to the Home Bartender. Let's make this one quick and easy. Today we're making a Smuggler's Cove version of passion fruit syrup. And passion fruit syrup is often called for in tiki and tropical cocktails, but I do have a few cocktails on the channel that call for passion fruit syrup that are modern cocktails, so check those out. Let me give you the ingredients and some tips so you can have this passion fruit syrup on hand. Ingredients coming up next. You will need 1.5 cups of passion fruit puree and 1.5 cups of 2-to-1 simple syrup. Okay, I gave you the ingredients for a full recipe, and that's a lot for my home bar. So I'm gonna cut that in half, but feel free to make the full recipe. It's really super easy to make, but here's a quick tip. I buy Funkin' Passion Fruit Puree on Amazon. It comes in a 2-pound, 3-ounce bag. It's big. I can never use that much all at once. So actually what I do is I use my 1x1 ice cube tray. These are about 1 ounce a piece. And then I freeze those and I have a little seal meal and I put them in that. So you would need 8 of these, of course, to make a cup because they're about 1 ounce a piece. So I will add to 3/4 of a cup of the 2-to-1 simple syrup. I'll add 3/4 of a cup of passion fruit juice. It's actually puree. And then you just stir that up. It's super easy. That's all you gotta do. That's it. I have just a few cocktails that call for just juice or the passion fruit syrup coming up, so look forward to that. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscription button to become part of the family. Thanks in advance. I'll see you on Friday for another great cocktail. Be well. Boo-boo.